Okay, this is a room review of the Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. I'm just going to give a quick room review because it is just going to be on a short. So as you enter, this is the pull-down bed, and it is a large double, maybe a king. And you have a nice little kind of Disney Alexa type of device. There is a fridge, coffee making machine, a shelf as you can see to pile all your stuff, and then you get a selection of Joffrey's coffee, tea, cups, two chairs, a very large dressing table, which does have a safe, plenty of storage space, very large TV, another large king size bed. There is also USB charging points, normal plug sockets, and there is enough for 4 people to charge. Plenty of room for your suitcases, wardrobe, large bathroom, iron, lots of shelving, shaving mirror, and then you have your bathroom, toilet, large shower, and it does actually have a clothes hanging rail as well. Plenty of towels, ironing board, cleaning do come, I think it's every 2 days, and as you can see, the rooms are very nicely themed.